Hi, this is Meredith Eisenberg with Tame the Internet Monster, and I have a cold, so I'm going to cough, so I'm going to warn you in advance. I'm here today to show you how to really quickly set up a system to share great content using Twitter. To be effective on Twitter, you're supposed to, post throughout the day, several times a day. And, that's kind of hard to do, to get back to Twitter to post all the time. So Buffer app makes that really easy. You can go in and sign up, and it's free for up to 10 tweets a day. And you can go into the settings once you've set it. And you can also hook it up to your Bitly if you keep track of what people... Bitly allows you to keep track of different tweets and how people, are reacting to them. So if you have your own Bitly, you can add them here. And then you can have different times of the day that your tweets always go out. So you basically are creating a list, and the first one on the list will go out at 8, and then 9, and then 10, and then 11, then 12, and mine goes all the way till 9 o'clock at night. There's a program called Tweriod, TWERIOD.com, which lets you know when your particular followers are most likely to see your messages on Twitter. And so that's always a good exercise to go through before you add these tweets into the buffer. But it really kind of doesn't matter. You can go ahead and use any pattern that you think is good. So once you're all set up in Buffer app, and that's BUFFERAPP.com, and again it's free. You can just go ahead and go into Twitter, and you need to go ahead and install. There's an add-on bookmark for Firefox that allows you to put the Buffer app right on your email, and you can go get that in the goodies section right here, and it tells you how to put it into Firefox or Chrome or Safari or InsideTwitter.com. And that's what I set up, and this will show you how to do that. And it's right here in Buffer right now. And so this will work in Firefox, and this will also work in Chrome. So you go to Twitter, and right now I'm taking part in a contest called the Blog Boost. And so I'm tweeting people's blog posts, so I'm going to show you how that works really quick here. If I can log in. Alright, so we have our extension installed. So now we're going to go into Twitter, and we're going to go ahead and search for Blog Boost, which is the hashtag for all the people taking part in the Blog Boost. And I'm just going to go find some cool things. So here's a cool thing. So I'm going to go ahead and see when you click on the thing, you can favorite, retweet, or you can buffer. So I'm just going to go ahead and click buffer. Okay, so I just went ahead and clicked buffer, and here's the tweet, and you can add something to it if you want. I always like to add a little comment, and then just go through and add it to buffer. And then up here, well, I'll do it again, it shows you how many tweets you have in your queue. Oh, we got 11 more. Let's see, anything cool? Let's see. Oh, I think the Twitter listing's pretty cool, so we're going to go ahead and add that. And see, then it adds another thing on that green bar on the top, and so that means that you've added more. And so basically now I'm going to just go through and add things to buffer, and then when you go back to buffer, so let's go back, you can see that these different tweets that I put in, this one will go out at 9:23, and this one will go out at 10:15, and I'm just going to go continue on and put 10 into my buffer, and then I will be all done with my tweeting for today.